According to Census of India 2011, what was the total population of India? Approx. A. 131 crore. B. 121 crore. C. 111 crore. D. 101 crore. B. 121 crore. Chau is a major dance tradition of India. In which of the following Indian states is the dance or not prevalent? A. Odisha. B. West Bengal. C. Jharkhand. D. Madhya Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. In which state is Vishakhapatnam port located? A. Maharashtra. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Odisha. D. Gujarat. B. Andhra Pradesh. Who among the following is the Indian classical dancer who masters both Bharatanatyam and Odissi dancing style? A. Shobna Narayan. B. Guru Bipin Singh. C. Padma Subramaniam. D. Sonal Mansingh. D. Sonal Mansingh. Which bacteria was discovered by Barry Marshall and Robin Warren that colonizes the human stomach and causes chronic superficial gastritis ulcers? A. Campylobacter jejuni. B. Helicobacter pylori. C. Neisseria gonorrhoeae. D. Entamoeba histolytica. B. Helicobacter pylori. Which of the following states witnesses the first onset of the monsoon? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Kerala. D. Uttar Pradesh. C. Kerala. What is a prominent trend in the microfinance sector in India? A. Integration of mobile banking services. B. Excessive bureaucracy in loan approvals. C. Decreased reliance on digital technology. D. Limited focus on women entrepreneurs. A. Integration of mobile banking services. Ustad Bismillah Khan was associated with which of the following musical instruments? A. Shehnai. B. Sarod. C. Sitar. D. Sarangi. A. Shehnai. The famous coal mining region Korba is located in which state of India? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Chhattisgarh. D. Himachal Pradesh. C. Chhattisgarh. What do you mean by balanced budget? A. Expenditure not equal to revenue. B. Expenditure equal to revenue. C. Expenditure more the revenue. D. Expenditure is less than revenue. B. Expenditure equal to revenue. Rajgir Mahotsav is a beautiful representation of history, religion, art and culture. It is a 3-day celebration in A. Madhya Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Bihar. D. Bihar. The famous novel The God of Small Things is written by A. Shashi Tharoor. B. Ruskin Bond. C. Vikram Seth. D. Arundhati Roy. D. Arundhati Roy. The Men's Junior Hockey Asia Cup 2023, which was won by India, was held at A. Saudi Arabia. B. Oman. C. Dubai. D. Qatar. B. Oman. In the context of the revolt of 1857, Mangal Pandey belonged to which Bengal native infantry? A. 34. B. 52. C. 70. D. 64. A. 34. Which of the following countries did India beat in the final to win the 2021 SAFF Championship? A. Nepal. B. Lebanon. C. Maldives. D. Kuwait. A. Nepal. Vinesh Fogart became the first Indian woman wrestler to win how many medals at World Championships? A. 6. B. 5. C. 2. D. 3. C. 2. What is the purpose of the cultural and educational rights? A. To promote a particular religion. B. To protect the language, culture and religion of the minority communities. C. To protect the majority community. D. To prevent exploitation. B. To protect the language, culture and religion of the minority communities. In November 2022, which state became the first Northeast state to approve mental health and social care policy? A. Assam. B. Meghalaya. C. Tripura. D. Arunachal Pradesh. B. Meghalaya. In optics, which term refers to the opening of the diaphragm of a lens that spatially limits the propagation of light? A. Collimator. B. Aperture. C. Apostille. D. Meniscus. B. Aperture. Lata Mangeshkar was awarded by the India's highest civilian honor Bharat Ratna in the year A. 2015. B. 2019. C. 2001. D. 2009. C. 2001. Nirmala Panikar received the Sangeet Natak Akademi Award 2019 given in February 2023 for her contribution to dance form. A. Mohiniyattam. B. Kuchipudi. C. Kathak. D. Bharatanatyam. A. Mohiniyattam. In which city is the Rajghat Memorial situated? A. Ahmedabad. B. Surat. C. Delhi. D. Agra. C. Delhi. In the 1939 Tripuri Congress presidential election, Pattabhi Sitarmaya was defeated by A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Rajendra Prasad. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. D. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. Whose autobiography is titled Waiting for a Visa? A. Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. D. Dr. Kamal Randive. C. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. In which year was the Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Act passed? A. 2019. B. 2009. C. 2015. D. 2017. A. 2019. The novel God of Small Things is a creation of which novelist? A. Kamala Das. B. Amrita Pritam. C. Ashapurna Devi. D. Arundhati Roy. D. Arundhati Roy. Which of the following terms best describes the average number of runs a batter makes per 100 deliveries in cricket? A. Economy rate. B. Batting average. C. Strike rate. D. Batting rate. C. Strike rate. Yuki Bhambari and Saket Maineni won the Bangkok Open Challenger title 202. C. They are related to which sport? A. Badminton. B. Squash. C. Tennis. D. Table tennis. C. Tennis. Deba Prasad Das, Pankaj Charan Das and Gangadhar Pradhan are associated with which of the following dance forms? A. Odissi. B. Bharatanatyam. C. Manipuri. D. Kathak. A. Odissi. Which of the following is not a fundamental duty listed in the Indian Constitution? A. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of India. B. To engage in political activities to promote democracy. C. To value and preserve the rich heritage of our composite culture. D. To safeguard public property and to abjure violence. B. To engage in political activities to promote democracy. As of 2022, 12-feet statue of Adi Shankaracharya, which was unveiled by the Prime Minister of India, is located in A. Pune. B. Ahmedabad. C. Varanasi. D. Kedarnath. D. Kedarnath. During cell division, the formation of a new cell wall is followed by the accumulation of A. Peristome. B. Periplasm. C. Phragmoblast. D. Protoblast. C. Phragmoblast. Dhanuji is associated with which of the following gharnas of Kathak? A. Lucknow. B. Raigad. C. Banaras. D. Jaipur. D. Jaipur. Which of the following is an example of capital expenditure in the government budget? A. Interest payment on a loan. B. Purchase of military equipment. C. Maintenance of government buildings. D. Subsidies provided to farmers. B. Purchase of military equipment. FIH Men's Hockey World Cup 2023 was held in which Indian state? UT. A. Maharashtra. B. New Delhi. C. Odisha. D. Gujarat. C. Odisha. An image of which of the following elements is shown by the map of Cyprus from which the element got its name? A. Silver. B. Cobalt. C. Copper. D. Sulfur. C. Copper. The Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Rozgar Abhiyan (PMGKRA) was launched in the year 2020 by which Ministry of Government of India? A. Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. B. Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. C. Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. D. Ministry of Rural Development. D. Ministry of Rural Development. Who among the following is the author of the Hindi novel Raag Darbari? A. Shrilan Shukla. B. Rahul Sankrityayan. C. Premchand. D. Kashinath Singh. A. Shrilan Shukla. Who is the first female classical dancer in Indian history to be nominated as a member of Rajya Sabha, the upper house of the Parliament of India? A. Mukti Mohan. B. Shobha Naidu. C. Sanjukta Panigrahi. D. Rukmini Devi Arundale. D. Rukmini Devi Arundale. What does the term overdraft mean in banking? A. The process of transferring funds between bank accounts. B. The maximum withdrawal limit from an ATM. C. Short-term financing facility. D. The interest charged on loans. C. Short-term financing facility. Which of the following is an example of Eastern Ghats peak? A. Dodhbetta. B. Mahendragiri. C. Guru Shikhar. D. Anamudi. D. Mahendragiri. Indian musician Pandit Hari Prasad Chaursia used to play which of the following musical instruments? A. Veena. B. Flute. C. Sarangi. D. Guitar. B. Flute. Which of the following was the first major and decisive victory for the East India Company on the soil of India? A. Battle of Sindhuli. B. First Anglo-Maratha War. C. Battle of Plassey. D. Battle of Tiruvannamala. C. Battle of Plassey. Which of the following locations receives the most rainfall in India? A. Prayagraj. B. Guwahati. C. Jaisalmer. D. Mawasyanram. D. Mawasyanram. According to the Census of India 2011, what was the literacy rate recorded in Kerala? A. 85.8%, B. 90.3%, C. 87.9%, D. 94.0%, D. 94.0%. The Digital Lok Adalat, powered by AI, artificial intelligence and blockchain, was launched by the then National Legal Services Authority chairman during the 18th All India Legal Services Authorities meet held in Jaipur in July 2022. A. Justice R. A. Mishra, B. Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, C. Justice S. Anand, D. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit, D. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit. Janmashtami is a Hindu festival that celebrates the birth, Janma, of the god Krishna on the 8th Ashtami day of the dark fortnight of the Hindu month of A. Bhadrapada, B. Ashwin, C. Shravan, D. Ashadha. A. Bhadrapada. Which of the following music directors is known as Mozart of Madras? A. A.R. Rahman, B. Madan Mohan, C. R.D. Burman, D. Himesh Reshammiya. A. A.R. Rahman. What is the tenure of the Vice President of India? A. Until the age of 65. B. Until he wants to hold the office. C. 6 years. D. 5 years. D. 5 years. In which year was the Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Protsahan Yojana (PMRPY) launched? A. 2018. B. 2015. C. 2016. D. 2022. C. 2016. The film based on which of the following novels by Amrita Pritam won the National Film Award? A. Nadmani, B. Rasidi Ticket, C. Village Number 36, D. Pinjar. D. Pinjar. Which Indian musician was awarded with the Bharat Ratna in 2001? A. Shivkumar Sharma, B. Bhimsen Joshi, C. Bismillah Khan, D. Hariprasad Chaursia. C. Bismillah Khan. Who was the Prime Minister of India when the fundamental duties were first incorporated in the Constitution of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Indira Gandhi, C. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, D. Rajiv Gandhi. B. Indira Gandhi. Who said the following? Money is what money does? A. Professor Seligman, B. Professor Cole, C. Professor Walker, D. Professor Robertson. C. Professor Walker. Which of the following ports is located in Odisha? A. Haldia Port, B. Kandla Port, C. Paradip Port, D. Tuticorin Port. C. Paradip Port. Rohini Bhate, Pandit Munnalal Shukla, Kumudini Lakhia, and Uma Sharma are famous exponents of which of the following classical dance forms? A. Bharatanatyam, B. Kathakali, C. Kathak, D. Kuchipudi. C. Kathak. The forces exerted on a body during a short period are known as A. Impulse, B. Pressure, C. Surface tension, D. Tensile stress. A. Impulse. India played the final of ODI Cricket World Cup 2011 against which country? A. Australia, B. Sri Lanka, C. England, D. Pakistan. B. Sri Lanka. Mohiniyattam is a classical dance style belongs to A. Kerala, B. Odisha, C. Manipur, D. Tamil Nadu. A. Kerala. Which of the following is not a feature of the Indian political party system? A. Lack of effective opposition, B. Single party system, C. Multi-party system, D. Factions and defections. B. Single party system. Which of the following was the first Satyagraha movement led by Mahatma Gandhi in British India? A. Champaran Satyagraha, B. Yoda Satyagraha, C. Rolat Satyagraha, D. Bardoli Satyagraha. A. Champaran Satyagraha. Dr. Tejan Bai, who was awarded by Padma Vibhushan 2019, is a renowned Indian folk singer and performer from the state of A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Chhattisgarh, C. Assam, D. Rajasthan. B. Chhattisgarh. The fundamental vocabulary of dance constitutes mock combat techniques, stylized gaits of birds and animals and movements modeled on the chores of village housewives and mostly performed by male dancers in eastern India. A. Manipuri, B. Kathakali, C. Chhau, D. Sattariya. C. Chhau. The Red Fort is located in A. Lucknow, B. Delhi, C. Indore, D. Ahmedabad. B. Delhi. The Goa government launched a new scheme in November 2022 for which of the following? A. Itihas Darshan, B. Goa Darshan, C. Bharat Darshan, D. Dev Darshan. D. Dev Darshan. Rituraj Gaikwad became the first batsman in List A cricket to hit how many sixes in an over? A. 4, B. 5, C. 6, D. 7. D. 7. The author of Malgudi Days is A. Chetan Bhagat, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Vikram Seth, D. R.K. Narayan. D. R.K. Narayan. Camels are found in which type of forests in India from the following? A. Montane forests, B. The thorn forest and scrubs, C. Mangrove forests, D. Tropical evergreen forests. B. The thorn forest and scrubs. Under whom among the following British Governor-Generals was the new policy of paramountcy initiated in British India by the East India Company? A. Lord Hastings, B. Lord Amherst, C. Lord Wellesley, D. Lord Cornwallis. A. Lord Hastings. Paryushana Parva is a festival of which of the following communities? A. Jain, B. Christian, C. Parsi, D. Hindu. A. Jain. Who coined the word cell in the 1600s from the Latin word cellula, meaning small room? A. Louis Pasteur, B. Robert Hooke, C. Theodore Schwann, D. Lynn Margulis. B. Robert Hooke. Which of the following is a feature of microfinance institutions? A. Financial service to government employees, B. Finance service to union ministers, C. Financial service to corporate, D. Financial service to disadvantaged people. D. Financial service to disadvantaged people. Which of the following states became the overall champions in both the men's and women's categories in the 2023 Janjatia Khel Mahotsav? A. Chhattisgarh, B. Karnataka, C. Jharkhand, D. Odisha. D. Odisha. The Mohorovicic Moho discontinuity separates A. Earth's lithosphere and asthenosphere, B. Earth's atmosphere and hydrosphere, C. Earth's crust and the inner core, D. Earth's crust and the mantle. D. Earth's crust and the mantle.